Circular table problem. Question. Study the following information carefully and answer the given question. P, Q, R, S, T, V, W and X are captains of 8 different cricket teams, namely Australia, New Zealand, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, England, West Indies and South Africa, but not necessarily in the same order. All of them seated around a circular table and are facing the center. P is sitting third to the left of Sri Lankan captain. Only 2 people sits between T and W. Neither T nor W is an immediate neighbor of P. Neither T and W captain of Sri Lanka. The captain of South Africa sits second to the right of S. S is not Sri Lankan captain. S is not immediate neighbor of P. P is not captain of South Africa. The Australian captain sits third to the left of V. Australian and Sri Lankan captains are not immediate neighbor of each other. Only one person sits between S and Indian captain. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand, immediate neighbor of each other. S is not captain of New Zealand team. Only one person sits between Q and captain of England. Captain of England, immediate neighbor of X. W and Q are not immediate neighbor of each other. How to solve this question? We'll see. This is a circular table problem. And so, circular table problem, draw circular symbol. Draw circular symbol. 8 members. 8 have mark. 4 remaining 4. Total 8 members facing towards center. Their right side is their left side. A person sits towards center, right side, left side. Now opposite person, right side, left side. Conditions. P is sitting third to the left of Sri Lankan captain. I take Sri Lankan captain. This Sri Lankan captain I take this. P sits third to the left of 1, 2, 3. Count, start. Immediate neighbor from the left 1, 2, 3. P is sitting third to the left of Sri Lankan captain. P third to the left of Sri Lankan captain. Only 2 people sits between T and W. Condition. Only two people sits between T and W. Neither T nor W is immediate neighbor of P. Neither T and W, neither nor T and W immediate neighbor of P. T and W not come. T and W not come this place. Only 2 people sits in between T and W. T and W not come. Neighbor of P. T and W not come this place also. Clearly know where T and W placed. To follow the question. Neither T and W captain of Sri Lanka. T and W neither nor captain of Sri Lanka. T and W placed here. T or W. I write T and W here. Exact place will find following question. Neither T and W, captain of Sri Lanka. The captain of South Africa sits second to the right of S. S is not Sri Lankan captain. S is not Sri Lankan captain. S is second right. South Africa, captain of South Africa. Yeah, I write S here. Sri Lankan captain, not S. S is second right. Captain of South Africa. South Africa. Already T and W placed. T and W and P placed. I write yes. Here second right is South Africa. I write S here. It's second right. Sri Lanka. S is exact place is neighbor of Sri Lanka. S is second right is South Africa. S is not Sri Lankan captain. S is not Sri Lankan captain. S is not immediate neighbor of P. P also. S is not immediate neighbor of P. S not come here. Exact place is S, neighbor of Sri Lanka, and S is second right is South Africa. P is not captain of South Africa. P is not captain of South Africa. The Australian captain sits third to the left of V. P is not captain of South Africa. South Africa captain, not South Africa. Captain of which country get P? I write V here. The Australian captain sits third to the left of V. V, third to the left of V. 1, 2, 3. South Africa not P. Captain of P. I write Australia. Australia. Australian and Sri Lankan captain are not immediate neighbor of each other. Australia not coming here. Australia. 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 This is not Australia. Australia. Immediate neighbor of Sri Lankan captain. Only one person sits between yes and Indian captain. Yes and Indian captain. Only one person sits between Indian captain. Indian captain. This is S and Indian captain. Only one person sits between. This is I didn't take this Indian captain. because only one person sits between Indian captain and yes, this is South Africa. Indian captain is T. Which country gets yes? Follow the question, will get answer. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand, immediate neighbor of each other. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand already placed India and Sri Lanka, neighbor of each other. Australia, this is Australia. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand, immediate neighbors, will not get Captain of Pakistan or New Zealand. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand will not get place. Captain of Pakistan and New Zealand will take place here. Pakistan, New Zealand, Pakistan, New Zealand. Immediate neighbor of each other. S is not captain of New Zealand. Clearly no. Pakistan is as captain of S. Only one person sits between Q and captain of England. Captain of England, only one person. Exact two places not get which captain will get place. This is captain of England or that captain of England will find England. Only one person sits between Q and captain of England. Captain of England, immediate neighbor of X. Immediate neighbor of X. England. England must get immediate neighbor of X. This already P, T. This is not captain of England. South Africa, yes, captain of England. Immediate neighbor of P. W and Q are not immediate neighbor of each other. W and Q are not immediate neighbor of each other. W, captain of New Zealand. Q remaining, Q placed here. Remaining letter or is England. Remaining captain of country, West Indies. West Indies. Answer. Question. Count T from England in a clockwise direction. How many members present? Question. How many members present? Question. How many members present when count from T to England in a clockwise direction? How many members present when count from T to England in a clockwise direction? Clockwise, this. Anti-clockwise, this. This is clockwise. Clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Question. Clockwise direction from Tea to England, West Indies and Australia. 2 members present. 2 members. Answer. Thank you.